Hey everyone, today I'll be walking you through how to set up a folder on SharePoint. I'll show you this on SharePoint Online in your web browser. First, sign into your SharePoint site and you'll land on the home page. From here, click on Documents in the left navigation or open whichever document library you want to work in. Once you're in the library, navigate to the exact spot where you want your new folder to live. You'll see a breadcrumb trail at the top showing your current location. If you're creating a subfolder inside an existing folder, click into that parent folder first so you're in the right place. Now, look at the command bar at the top right of the library. Click the button that says New. You might also see it labeled as Create or Upload, but it's the same button. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. In that drop-down, click Folder. A dialog box will pop up with the title Create a Folder. In the name fields, type whatever you want to call your folder. Keep it short and clear, and avoid using these characters less than, greater than, colon, quotation marks, forward slash, backslash, pipe, question mark, asterisk, hash, or percent. Also, don't end your folder name with a space or a period, or it won't work properly. Just below the name field, you might see an option for folder color. This defaults to yellow, but you can pick a different color if you want to color code your folders. It's completely optional, so you can skip it if you don't need it. Once you're happy with the name and color, click the Create button at the bottom of the dialog box. The folder will appear in your library view immediately. A couple of quick notes: the folder is automatically shared with anyone who already has access to the document library, so you don't need to do anything extra there. If you ever need to rename the folder, just click the three dots next to the folder name and select Rename. And if the New button doesn't show a folder option at all, it means the settings been turned off. You'll need to check with your admin or go into library settings, advanced settings, and make sure Make New Folder command available is set to yes. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.